Okay, what's up guys? It's our first video. Welcome to this channel named Blackhawks88. This is our one and only, no I'm kidding. This is one of the only times you will be seeing this. So real quick, Josh, just look at this lightning.
It's not showing up.
There. That was sick, right? Yep, that was sick. So please like the video. They are here. Our friends are not here. They will be coming, and we will be coming back soon.